from the blog.karenkleinglobal.com. In the blog, I write about toy reviews to help our children development. And here I will speak about a few activities we can do at home, every time with only one item. Today we're going to use clothespeds. It's going to be fun, but I also explain why it helps. So the first activity that we're going to do, this is Eleanor, and the first activity we're going to do, we're going to put this in the middle. Yep. And that's an Indian look. She needs to basically, what we help, the tweezer grease, after that help us with the pencil and the writing. So we practice a lot the two fingers clip. With the right hand, she's putting on with the left hand, she's putting on the right side, only with one hand, great. And the basket is in the middle. So we also cross the midline, which is also important to use both brain hemisphere. The second activity we're gonna do is she's gonna try to make a chain out of the different clothespeds. Each activity you can adapt to a different age, for younger or for a little bit older children. This is a little bit for younger usually. Oops. And it can be tall, it can be short. The third activity is basically use sequences and help her. She's gonna have to clip by the color. So it can be easy or much harder, but she's gonna have to continue the whole page with the same sequence. Sequence is something that is very useful to understand logic and to understand what is the next and what is predictable. You have to continue what is predictable, and then it's much easier for children to plan. Exactly, and she can continue or not. The fourth activity we're gonna do is actually nice help at home. I'm gonna give her different socks that I didn't yet organize from the laundry, and she needs to find the match. She needs to match basically the different socks and use the clothespeds together. So one, it can help me at home. You can use the children to help you, which is fantastic. And two, it also helps her, one, to do the match, and two, to use again the tweezer grease. Great. Wonderful. Super. And the last activity, we're gonna go there to the little, we put a little cord, and you can use any cards that you have at home. Here I have what you can do, what you cannot do, and she needs to match. So for example, here you have a parent that is smoking, who is smoking next to his children, and next to him, and another card where without the smoking. She's basically matching the card that is okay and the card that is not okay, and she's putting them together. Again, it depends on whatever cards you have. This also works on the shoulder belt, which is very, very good. This is why it's high. Here, for example, we use letters. She needs to find her own name and write her name. You can use letters, you can use numbers, whatever you have at home. If you have a memory game, you can use memory game, and basically they need to match. As long as it's a bit higher from her shoulder, and as long as she's using the two fingers like we need to with the clothespeds, she's working right. Eleanor, and the last letter. Super. And here is another example that you can do with numbers. This is wrong and she needs to correct it. So go ahead, she can move around the numbers, for example. And again, you can adapt with multiplication or plus or just numbers. So you can do almost whatever you want with whatever you have at home. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you at blog.karenkleinglobal.com. Bye!